Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we will make another Japanese bread and it's called Tuna Corn Mayo bread. This is one of my favorite bread here in Japan. Let's start with 300 grams bread flour, 3 grams fine salt, 40 grams sugar, 4 grams dry yeast, and 200 ml warm milk. Stir and knead using your clean hands. Now add 30 grams of butter. Knead until you get soft and elastic texture. Oil the bowl before placing the dough to prevent sticking. Cover, let it sit for 1 hour or until you get the double size. For the filling, I will use 200 grams of drained sweet corn in can, 2 cans of tuna, 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, salt and pepper, dried basil or parsley, mixed cheese or pizza cheese. Now let's combine the corn, mayonnaise, tuna, condensed milk, salt and pepper. Give a sexy stir to combine, then cover and set aside. Now, after 1 hour, let's release the gas and flatten the dough. Cut into 8 pieces. Fold inside and make a ball. Then cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's flatten the dough and make the shape you want. Now let's add the toppings. Then cover and let it rest for 40 minutes or put in oven with 40 degrees for 30 minutes. After 40 minutes, brush with egg wash. Now let's top with cheese, mayonnaise, and dried parsley. Then bake in preheated oven in 180 degrees for 15 minutes. Now this is our tuna corn mayo bread. Itadakimasu! Thanks for watching guys, and see you on my next video.